Hi, my name is Joel Muehlman, and this is the phase vocoder for audio effects. The phase vocoder can be used to produce a couple of different audio effects. One of these is modifying the duration of an audio recording without affecting its pitch, and the other one being adding a robot-like effect to an audio recording. The phase vocoder algorithm utilizes the short-time Fourier transform to compute the spectrum of successive windows from an input signal. The current window's phase is then modified to produce the desired audio effect. After these phase modifications, the time domain signal is reconstructed from its modified spectrum and the entire signal reconstructed by the overlap add algorithm. The phase vocoder algorithm can be divided into three sections: analysis, phase modification, and resynthesis. In the analysis stage, successive windows are taken from the input signal and their spectrums computed. These successive windows are spaced apart by something called the analysis hop factor. In the phase modification stage, the phase difference is computed between successive windows. From this differenced phase, and knowing how far apart in time these windows are spaced by the analysis hop factor, we can make a more accurate calculation for what the frequency should be for our current Windows phase. From this instantaneous frequency, we can modify it by the synthesis hop size. If the synthesis hop size is greater than the analysis hop size, the signal will be expanded in the time domain. If the hop size is shorter, the signal will be compressed in the time domain. In the resynthesis phase, we take this modified phase window and transform it back to the time domain by the inverse Fourier transform. The end signal is then reconstructed by overlap adding these successive time domain signals back together. These time domain signals are spaced by the synthesis hop factor. Now for a short software demonstration. The phase vocoder software is to be run from the command line. To display available options, we use the help option. An input file of wave type must be given to the software. Optionally, an output file name may be specified so long as it has the .wav extension. Next, one of two mutually exclusive effects may be selected: robotize or time. If the robotize effect is provided, that is sufficient. If the time effect is selected, a rational stretching factor must be provided of the form x/y. Now I will demonstrate the application of the various effects of the software. First, let's listen to the raw unmodified sample fun.wave.
You don't know how to have fun!
Now let's apply the robotization effect to that recording.
You don't know how to have fun!
Next, let's apply the time duration effect, but let's shorten the original signal. This is the original signal shortened by a factor of 1/3.
You don't know how to have fun!
And finally, let's use the time duration effect one more time, but let's expand the signal by a factor of 2.
You don't know how to have fun!
And that concludes my software demonstration. Thank you.